In this video, I'll show you how to transfer Solana, SOL, from Bybit to your Phantom wallet step by step. First, open Phantom wallet and tap Receive. Select Solana, then copy your Solana address. This is the address you'll paste into Bybit. Now open the Bybit app and log in. Tap Assets, then go to Withdraw. Choose SOL as the coin you want to withdraw. In the address field, paste your Phantom Solana address. Next, choose the network and make sure it's set to Solana. This part is important. Don't pick a different network. Enter the amount of SOL you want to send. Review the withdrawal fee and double-check the address one more time. Then tap Confirm and complete any security checks like email, SMS, or Google Authenticator codes. After Bybit processes the withdrawal, open Phantom and check your SOL balance. It should arrive after the transaction confirms on the Solana network. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.